I'm Kyle Harris, product manager for the Coats Company, Nashville, Tennessee, and I'm here to show you our CHD 6330 heavy-duty tire machine. This tire machine is hydraulic, and it changes small agricultural assemblies as well as tubeless truck tires up to 63 inches in diameter and up to 30 inches wide. This machine is available in single and three-phase voltages and is controlled using this pendant. This pendant allows the operator to use the machine and walk around and manipulate the tire any way that's comfortable for the operator, and it makes the machine very ergonomic to use. I have a 22.5 tubeless truck tire on here. This wheel does use a safety hump on the back side, so I'm going to go ahead using our roller. I'm going to go ahead and dismount the top bead on this tire here, and then we'll go ahead and remount it again for you. So we'll just start spinning here. And we'll just start pushing. And then what I like to do is come over here and watch this tire and watch this bead come off of here. Now we've already got this tire fairly well lubed. And the significant thing to understand about changing these tires and wheels is that they're extremely heavy and they can be hard to manipulate. That's why having a hydraulic changer like the Coats CHD 6330 can make your life so much easier and make you so much more productive. Now to mount this top bead back again, we simply need to rotate our tool, move the carriage, and there's several different ways that we can mount this bead back up. Most folks might start mounting this and simply use their hand or their fist to hold that tire inside the drop center and actually begin the mounting process of this back bead. Or you can simply take a bar and stick it inside here while you rotate. I'm going to show you using the G-clamp. This G-clamp is simply a clamp that fits on the wheel and allows you to begin the mounting phase of that bead. It allows the tire and the wheel to create a traction point and begin to rotate as one piece. We have 3 of these available. This one here happens to be for steel wheels, so I'm going to use it against this steel wheel. This is also the same clamp you would use when changing on agricultural tire. So you simply clamp it on, and we'll rotate. And that's all there is to changing a 22.5 on the Coats CHD 6330.